Hi guys, I'm here to show you how the Google Chrome 3D animal works. So first of all, you go in Chrome, the app, and you type tiger, for example, any animal. So you scroll down, you see view in 3D. View in 3D, you tap on it, and here is the tiger. So you move your phone up and down, and there's the tiger in your living room. See, how cool is that? You can make the tiger big and small. See, you can see my hand. The tiger's in my hand right now. You can make it very big or very small. All right, there you go. The tiger is in my living room. How cool is that? So you kids can play with it, and they have around 24 animals. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. All right, and if we go back, for example, we can look for other animal. For example, if we go like snake, you do the same. It's the same process. You scroll down. There you go. Tap on snake. Snake is in the living room. There you go. You move your phone up and down. All right, and it'll take a few seconds, and you see that snake. Move it up and down, side by side. There you go. You got the snake right here in the living room. A big snake in the living room. How cool is that? How cool. There you go. Wow. Here you go, guys. So have fun. There have like around 24 animals to play with. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye.